This is just a few days of emails put into my trash folder. And most of these I turned down, not because they're bad products, but because they don't belong on this channel. And that's the part that most people don't see, how I decide what makes it onto this channel and what doesn't. Welcome back to DONSLIFE and welcome to the channel. Because if I'm being honest, there's a lot of reviews on YouTube that probably shouldn't exist. Maybe some of my own included. Stuff that looks cool, but doesn't actually matter. And if I said yes to everything, this channel would be a mess. And that's what I'm trying to avoid. Does it solve a real problem? Will it be something that I use after filming? And does it work in real life? And more importantly, is it actually worth your time? So let me show you what's actually sitting here right now. Let's start with this one here from Boost Auto. Most of you probably know what this is, but this is Boost Auto's Ion Series light up door handles. Now, based on the popularity of my lighting videos and how much you love them, of course, this has a spot on my channel. So this will be an install coming up very soon. Now underneath it, what is this? Looks like we have another vertical screen. This one comes from our friends over at Z Innovations. Now when it comes to these type of screens, they dramatically change your experience with the truck, which is why we're going to continue to look at these when new options come out. Just move this out of the way. This is from a video I recently launched. We had a problem where the new fascia that I put on didn't have this door, this access panel for the tow hook, so we had to make one. Now what is this, you might ask? This is a package from our friends over at Boost Auto. As a longtime partner with Boost, they send me things once in a while to maybe enhance or upgrade things that I've already installed on the vehicles. And in this case, they sent me some new hinges or brackets for my powered Luma Steps. So moving on, you might have noticed my EcoFlow power generators right here. We have the smaller one, which I did a video on with some solar power not that long ago. Nice little review if you want to check it out. But then we have the big brother right here, which is going to be featured in an upcoming video with solar, completely off grid. We are going to do some stuff with the camper. So that'll be something that's coming soon. And as you can see, with all these batteries in here, power stations, solar panels, another power station down there, another one on the back wall over there. I take this stuff very seriously. Now, sometimes you may think that I stretch the channel just a little bit with some of the reviews that I do. However, and as far as I'm concerned, things like this are real life. We got the Hovsco Beta foldable e-bike right here that we just did a review on. The power from this little thing, it's crazy. Pretty cool bike. And I didn't think I'd like the style, but it's actually very easy to ride, and getting on and off of it, no problem, because you don't have the crossbar right here. I can see Mrs. DONSLIFE using it more than I do, but still, nonetheless, it's going to be a lot of fun in the DONSLIFE family. Now, speaking of things on two wheels, we also have some very high-end scooters, one from Navi, brand new to the market, and one from Highboy over there, because I do have a growing family and we're using bikes and now scooters and these type of things all the time. And I know a lot of you watching also use bikes, maybe scooters, and you're not just driving everywhere, especially with the cost of fuel right now. And I think it's a good idea to get outside and get moving. So those reviews will be something that we'll be doing. Mrs. DONSLIFE and I are gonna have a lot of fun making those videos. Now, we also send stuff back. So this was sent to me from my friends over at AUCar. You may recognize it as another screen, but not for my GMC Sierra. This one was for my sister's Toyota Tacoma. So we did not install this one. This is going to be sent back. It has not been used, but it's just an example of if we're not going to use it, then we're not going to do a video about it. But we did do a video for another one, which my sister and I believe other Toyota Tacoma owners will absolutely love. So we did a full install video, a full tutorial on that one there. How's this?
Okay, that's good.
I'll let you figure that out. Do you want me to take a break? You didn't just do that.
Yes. I've never used one of these.
Okay, but you want that. As for the car seat, I draw the line at those type of videos. We're not doing a car seat video. That is for my grandson, which is just about 1 year old. There will be no video on this. Now this next one, I don't know if anybody needs it, but I did find it interesting, which is why I want to put it to use and show you what it's like on this channel. We have GM branded inflatable furniture that custom fits in the front of the car. So when we drive the C8 places, I can relax on furniture while she's shopping. It's gonna be a win-win. All joking aside, for the amount of Corvette owners that go to car shows that are throwing foldable lawn chairs into the back, well, they could look at something like this, which I think is pretty neat. We also have recovery gear from Bubba Ropes. If you know, you know, but this is something I want to cover in an upcoming video. And this is the part that I think that matters. I'm a middle-aged guy, I like DIY, and I love tech. A lot of you are probably in the exact same spot. In this channel, it's not just me either. Mrs. DONSLIFE helps out a lot. Sometimes she's behind the scenes, and sometimes she's even helping with the installs. And whether I like it or not, sometimes she ends up being the star of the videos. She's very supportive. We even go down to SEMA together every year, and we bring you along for the ride. So that way we all get to see a lot of what's coming, what's new, and what's interesting. But even with that, I still run everything through the same filter. Because at the end of the day, it isn't just content, these are things that I'm bringing into my life. I live with almost everything that I bring into this channel. Case in point, when I had my BMW M4, I started stockpiling things. Once I sold that vehicle, I really don't have much of a trace of it ever existing, except here on the channel and those good memories. I'm pretty proud here with what I've done with my YouTube channel because it's not about show, tell, and toss. I use most of this stuff long term, and it also gives me the ability to show you what it really is like living with it. And that's why the channel's called DONSLIFE. It's not just trucks, it's not just reviews, it's not just rallies, it's not just DIYs. It's what I actually use and test. Some of these things never get posted in videos because if they don't pass the test, then they don't get posted. Now, I'm not putting this video together to sound like I'm complaining or whining. To the contrary, Mrs. DONSLIFE and I are very grateful to every single one of you that continue to return to the channel, or if you're here for the first time, checking it out to see what it's all about, whether it's the DIY, the tech, the reviews, the vlogs, all of it. There's a bit of variety here. But with variety, I think that there's also longevity. So hopefully you see that and you stick around for the updates and see where things go. So if that sounds good to you and you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And I do like when people check out all the videos, but that's not an expectation. That's why I put playlists together so you can pick the content that just speaks to you. If you're just here for the oil updates, then watch the oil update videos when they come out. But I can promise you this, in almost every video that's filmed and published, you do see little things that might be hints of other videos that are coming out in the future. And I do that with intent. But I digress. We have a lot of exciting content coming your way. I just can't wait for the snow to be done melting, and then we can really get into it. Now in the meantime, I definitely have a lot to keep me busy, as you can see from the pile of boxes that we went through, and there's more on the way. So if this is content you like, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing so you don't miss it, and we'll talk to you next time.